Hello everyone and welcome to Submerged Below, a game I've been working on for a while now. If you have not seen my previous devlogs, I recommend you go take a look at those. Welcome back everyone to my channel. I'm very excited to show you this week's progress on Submerged Below. For those who don't know, I'll be releasing a new video each week. So subscribe if you would love to see how this channel and Submerged Below evolve, and thank you everyone for all the amazing feedback. This week I was tired of seeing a low resolution character, as when the player is closer to the camera you can see the player gets really blurry. What I have done is chosen one of my designs for the character from my concept drawing. Before drawing anything, it is a really good idea to draw lots of things before sticking to one particular piece, even when you have a blank mind on what to draw. I will just start drawing roughly around what the artwork will be about, and that really helps to expand my creative mind, and I will always find something that I am happy with. Once the drawing is complete, I will bring it from Sketchbook into Photoshop to refine and check if everything is correctly balanced. I then separate the pieces of the player. I also want to make sure I am happy with the color. I then separate the character into separate limbs. This is so I can animate the character in Unity. I will then remove the background, save it as a PNG and bring it into Unity. When in Unity, I want to slice the one sprite into multiple sprites so I can set the pivot points, and then I will start building the character. For animation to work correctly, I must think of this as a real human being, such as the head neck pivot is connected to the thorax, and as well as the shoulders. The hands are connected to the arms and so forth. By connecting these, I must make them a child of the parent game object. It's as simple as click, hold and drag. So when I start animating, if I move the thorax, then the head and shoulders will also move, just like a real human being. When I was animating, I was having for some reason issues I've never had before, but in the end it turned out great and I learned so much. When I create a new character, there is a large process I have to go through, as when he is swimming, it changes everything, as it is a different type of gameplay and different events and actions are triggered. But it was totally worth it. The player looks amazing. Now, something also really cool that I can't wait to show you is the new lighting I've been playing with. I have been looking at Hollow Knight's environments, and it gives me a really great feeling of realism, like I am there. So I wanted to recreate a small fraction of that. Then a light bulb hit me and I had this amazing idea to use a sprite mask over a bench with a light source. And having my first shop as a bar/restaurant, it was a perfect start to implement this for me. It looks incredible. It is an amazing feeling when you have an idea and it just works.
And one of the great things about having a fully dynamic game engine is all of this just works. I'm not kidding.
I have so many ideas on what the shop will sell and what you can find in the world, from killing enemies and other tasks. Here is some concepts I have been working on for items. I have scales, which will be a currency for normal merchants, and different foods and drinks, such as meat and special beverages. I want items to have many effects apart from healing. I am inspired by Terraria, as all of their potions have some really cool effects. I also have ancient scales, which will be very rare currency, only found from more difficult enemies, and maybe some other things. But it can definitely be used with rarer merchants, or special upgrades. I have so many things I'm working on at the moment, so I'm going to end the devlog here. I hope you all enjoyed this week's devlog. Please leave me some feedback. Feel free to subscribe and join my Discord. The link is below, where I'll be posting my artworks and other content. I'll also be putting all the comments from this video in the next. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.